Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to restore these headlights on a Toyota RAV4. They're pretty yellow and somebody said they were hard to see out at nighttime, so I told them I'd do it for free. Not only is it going to look better, but it's going to be safer at nighttime. So here's a list of the supplies I'm using today: some sandpapers, different types, some polishes, microfiber towels, some window cleaner, and polisher. I brought two, but I ended up only using the small gray one for this job. So I had to start by wiping off the headlights. It was snowing pretty bad. Get everything taped off, that way when we're sanding we don't scratch up the paint at all. So we're going to start off with 400 and then work our way up to 3000 right before we polish. So I decided to use a combination of the polisher and then a sanding block with the same grit of sandpapers on it. It seems to work really well with flat headlights like these ones. So this way I could get all the corners that I couldn't reach with the polisher. After this first round of sandpaper, you're going to want to make sure that there's a pretty consistent haze around the headlights. Nowhere else you need to hit before you move on to the next step. And all we're going to do is just move up in sandpaper grit. The important thing is just to take your time, make sure you don't miss any spots. Again, at this point, we're just getting rid of the scratches that we made in the first step. Now that all the oxidation's removed, now it's just a matter of getting all the scratches out and then finishing it with the polish. So just take your time. Obviously this is sped up, but just make sure that you hit all the areas. thought I should mention too that I am not a professional detailer. I do not do this full-time at all. This is just a hobby. All the cars that I clean I do for free, just so that I can start making content and start growing my channel. I'm still learning, so if anybody has any tips or tricks, I'm always open to hear it in the comments. This is not my full-time job. I do this on days off when I have, and I always do it for free. Here I'm moving into the polishing stage. I'm just using a 2-in-1 compound and polish in one. So there's the after on one side. You can see what it looked like before. So this is that light yellow brown foam that I was telling you about. This is all that oxidation that's coming off. Once that's all gone and it's just has a consistent haze on it, you know that you can move on to the next step. See how white this is compared to the first one. That's how you know you got all the oxidation off. Now we're just getting rid of all the scratches. If you guys made it this far in the video, it means you like what you've seen so far. So go ahead and like the video, subscribe. That's what really helps support the channel, just because I do everything here for free. So comment what you want to see next. I got some good videos coming in the next week or so. So like and subscribe. So here it is, all finished. I have some before pictures and after pictures, and I know that this person was super happy that they can now see out of their headlights at nighttime. Not only does it look better, but it's definitely a lot more safe.